Hello, my name is Mulo. Here is my demonstration for level 5 challenge on OWASP Juju shop. So I'm gonna start by opening an app that I deployed. Okay. I solved the first challenge, so I have the scoreboard here. Okay, it's the only one that I have solved. Okay, so I'll start by this challenge, extra language. Retrieve the language file that never made it into production. So here we have the production language. So a list of production language. Here is something Asian language, or here is India Arabic, Ibrit. I have a couple of languages. So what I have done first is I went through this language. I just tried to change language here, and I want to see what the verb suite will capture, so I can have some understanding on the format of the language. So I'll go here and see what's happening. Yeah, here is whenever I change the language. This is Azerbaijan, AZ underscore AZ, same ID. So this is the format of the language. So what I need to do now is to find the language that's missing here from the list of language from the OWASP juice shop. So okay, so I navigate through all these language. Most of them are here, almost all of them. There's 37 languages. They are all listed here, but there is one language which is not listed there, this one. Before that, I'll click here and then I'll see what will happen here, what the verb switch. Okay, it captured something, Italian. I have it already. I have it on the production language, Italiano. Here I just want to compare the difference here and there. So here it's just IT, and here it's IT dots. Okay, navigating through all these languages, I found one interesting language which doesn't exist here on the production language. So yeah, it's this one. Okay, by doing so I captured okay, Yeah, I captured this one, TLHAA. If we pay close attention here, here is translating OWASP juice. Yeah. So what I have done is I took this code and I had to replace in one of the languages here. First I have to change the language. For instance, I want to change to English. Okay. Oh, here. Tune to Dutch. Okay, here here is the language when I change the language. So what I have to do is I have to change this one, and first I have to send this to repeater to be able to edit, to manipulate it. So here I'll just use the code I got for the missing language, and the format should be the same with underscore, and I have to send this request. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. It's added and successfully solved the problem. Let's check it here, what change it brings. I was expecting to see it here. Anyway, this challenge is solved. What matters is this solved message. Okay, my next one is change vendor's password. So change vendor's password into this password. So what I have noticed is every user has their ID is their name with along with, for example, here using DWT forge and essential using your token that impersonate non-existing user. This is the user, and this is what follows. This is the format of the user. So the same for vendor, it will be, what is that? Yeah, for vendor it should be I'll try to log in. I logged in already from challenge number levels. sh.op. So I use this SQL injection command, which allows me to bypass the password by simply input any password. Let's try without entering password even. no, required. Okay, log in. So I'm able to log in. Yeah, this is giving me a like solved message, but it's not that password, that level which is solved. It's a challenge by itself on level 3. So by SQL injection, I bypass the credentials. Anyway, now what I need is yeah, to solve this challenge, change vendor's password. So I have logged in as a vendor. Now I have to go in privacy and change password. While changing password, it will ask me for current password, but I don't know the current password. Anyway, I will just input anything. That password I know. This is the password I have to use. Okay, here is the new password. Try to change, it's not changing it. Let's see what Burp Suite captured. This is change password. So I have to know the current password. Instead, what I have to do is I have to manipulate this, in which I have access to this, and using Burp Suite I can manipulate it. I have to send it to repeater and then to be able to edit it. So I have to remove this current password, which disables the request for current password. So I can bypass that and simply update the password. I have to send this request, and here it's successfully changing the password. Says okay, 200. Sorry, I didn't show, and previously I didn't show the error message. However, yeah, here it's solved. Let's see it here. Let's refresh this. Okay, layer 2 now. Yeah, it's solved. Another one I want to do is email leak. So this email leak, however, works with when the user, like somebody, refresh the page. I've set up the Burp Suite, and I will just access the Burp Suite capture, and then it will simply let me solve this problem, because it will reveal the some email information or the email itself sent to repeater, and then here who am I, and I will just have to send this, and then it will reveal. Then who am I is like who is logged in, so whoever like refresh that page will be revealed here, their email address. So here is the Or is that? Yeah, here is the challenge, and this will solve it. No, not this one. Let's do this again. Yeah. Yeah, here it revealed the email, and this solves the problem, I think so. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. ID, email, vendor, user, shop, login, undefined. Anyway, the email is linked here. This is the email. So let's see if it's solved now. Let's refresh the page. Yeah. So change vendor's password, email link, and extra language. Yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching.